how to change the call background image for incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next in here, I'm going to tap on keypad and then tap on the more button at the top. From here, tap on settings. Then we go down and tap on call background. Next in here, tap on the background button at the bottom. And from here, you can select your preferred image. You can choose an image from your gallery, from your picture gallery. If you have one, you can choose one from your picture gallery. Right there. So you can choose one from your picture gallery. And then tap on set as call background. Or you can use AI to generate your call background. So we've got some feature here, feature image. We've got video call. You can also have set a video call as your background image. Alright, so once you're happy, then we can just go back. And that is what the preview looks like. Tap on that to have a preview of your call background. So here, if I call myself, you can see that during the call, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.